Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to see how many hours you've played a game on Roblox. So currently you can see we're here on our Roblox, and the first thing you'll need to do is to go over to your tabs and open a new one and search for RoPro. Now you could already tell that I'm using a Microsoft Edge browser, and if you're using a Chrome browser you will see what is applicable to your browser. And we're going to be clicking on the Roblox extension right here, or you can click on this one, which is going to go ahead and click on Roblox extension. And here on the website you can see install on Edge. We're going to click on it, and now we've been taken to this page where we can click on get. This will install RoPro on our browser. Click on add extension, and here you can see it's downloading. And now you can see our RoPro web extension has been added to our browser. And now we're going to go over to Roblox, refresh the page, and then at the top you can see the RoPro icon right there. Then you could also see at the top right area your most played. And this is where you can see how many hours you've played a game on Roblox. So now the next thing you need to do is to click on the button to verify pro user, and after you've verified your user, you can click on the RoPro icon at the top right corner right here. And then you're going to scroll down to where you have experience playtime tracking. This is automatically turned on, but if it's not, you need to toggle this on. So after your account is verified and the experience playtime tracking is toggled on, you will be able to see how many hours you've played a game on Roblox. If this video was helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more videos.